I got a lot of feedback on these heart 3D balloons on all my forms of social media, so I figured that I would do an in-depth tutorial to slow things down a bit. So we're starting off with some flex gel in the form of a ball, and then I'm placing it on a nail, and I'm using my fingers and my silicone tool to kind of shape out the heart that I want. I want to take something sharp, and in the top part of the heart, you want to add 4 little lines. This is like the creasing of the balloon. Then you want to cure it. I just flash cure it for like 15 seconds. Then I take some more flex gel in a really thin, long form, and I wrap it completely around the heart, just like you see me doing here. And then if it's too long, just kind of pull off the excess and then form it back together. Then using the silicone tool, I'm pushing in the inner part of that little heart crease right there just to kind of mold it to it. Then I'm taking that sharp tool again, and I'm going every, 5 millimeters or so, and just kind of pressing it right into the heart. We're adding the little frills around the balloon at this time, so you want to do this all the way around and then flash cure it. Taking a tiny piece of the flex gel and adding it to the bottom part of the heart. This is like the little balloon tag, so I'm adding a few creases in there and then a little hole right in the bottoms because we're going to put the string there. Flash cure that, then you want to put your chrome color of choice. I'm doing rose gold. You want to apply this directly on top. The one that I'm using is no wipe, but if you're using one that has the sticky layer, you want to top coat it first. And then I'm dusting off all the excess chrome around the base of the nail, and then this is how it should be looking. You want to top coat it, cure it for 60 seconds. Next, I'm taking some tiny copper wire with some rhinestone gel and sticking it in that little hole on the base, cure it, and then there you have it. You have this 3D balloon art nail. Perfect for Valentine's Day. I hope you like it. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. See you next time. Bye!